Taylor Swift's thrilling Eras Tour performance in Singapore had fans on the edge of their seats with excitement. However, the mood shifted unexpectedly when the cruel summer singer was caught struggling on stage. Known for her energetic performance and high-pitched vocals, Swift's coughing fits and throat clearing caught Swifties' attention. The crowd looked on with concern as clips of the incident made their way across social media. The 14-time Grammy winner kicked off her third show out of 6, scheduled in Southeast Asian region, with high spirits. However, as she belted out her 2017 Reputation track, delicate, her usually flawless vocals were interrupted by fits of coughing and throat clearing. Fans were quick to notice Taylor's sickly appearance in a TikTok video, which went viral. You can hear a raspy tone in her voice. She also seems more calm and reserved in her movements. A user commented on the video. Others joined in too. I can only imagine how exhausting it must be whilst on tour giving 100 with every performance. She's incredible. Some thought it might be because of weather change.